My name is Martin Fulgen. I'm one of the Associate Directors in IT Services here at the University of Newcastle. So the University of Newcastle has 40,000 students, approximately 6,000 staff, and we are number 9 in Australia for research, which is quite impressive. Back in 2017, we delivered an IT strategy, and one of the key opportunities that were identified was to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to solve business problems for our schools, faculties and divisions. In 2019, we engaged Intellify initially to work with us to develop a roadmap for AI and ML, working with the business to identify opportunities for automation and the use of machine learning. One of the opportunities that were identified was to use machine learning algorithms to classify research outputs against the field of research Australian standards. That is a requirement for the university to comply with the ARC's Excellence in Research framework. So every piece of research has to be classified in accordance to the field of research codes, and that is a mammoth exercise. You're talking literally over 3,000 research papers, documents being classified every year, and that involves a lot of work.
My name is Tom Weiss and I am a DevOps engineer here at the University of Newcastle in IT services. The project was to predict our field of research codes which are applied to our research papers. So we used AWS to bring together data from a number of sources that we have here to help predict those. So we had a combination of structured data and unstructured data that we used. The models are built to be run on a recurring basis, and we have the power to be able to run those as frequently as need be.
My name's Sean Coward. I'm manager of the research performance team here at the University of Newcastle. To begin with, I'd like to give kudos to Intellify for selecting this particular project. When IT facilitated an initial meeting and we were going to go through potential business cases to demonstrate machine learning to the university, I came along with 4 or 5, ranging in difficulty from things that I thought could be accomplished to this particular one, which I didn't even intend to share at the meeting. We went through the initial ones, and then Intellify did prompt me for this more difficult one, which I just, in my understanding of machine learning, was too challenging. Had to deal with text analytics, has to deal with academic jargon, things like that, and make judgments that human beings often struggle to make. So hats off the fact that we all took on this project, and the market is really looking for something like this. The benefits from this project are the efficiencies we could gain, the lack of time that our staff would have to spend allocating these FORs, leaving the staff to do their day jobs. Look, that alone would justify this algorithm in my opinion, and yet I can't help but be ambitious and think of other ways that we could use it.
So what this project has done, it has demonstrated the value that AI and machine learning can offer to a university like University of Newcastle. We now have the knowledge and the experience to take this to a higher level. We can also build new models using the experience that we have acquired as part of this project. So the way I see it, there's enormous opportunities for us to automate any repetitive task using something similar to what we did as part of the FOR code classifier.